Still handing out paper business cards like it's 1995? Well, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use POPL or POPL, the digital business card that lets you share your info with just a tap. It's slick, smart, and way cooler than scribbling on napkins. So let's get right to it. First of all, you need to go to their website, that's POPL or popl.co, and you land on their homepage right here. Now here they give you some snippets on the different features and benefits of the platform, as well as some cool designs for your business card that you can use. And if you go ahead here, you can see that you need to scan instantly to open the badge scanner for your clients. Now let's go up here and then go click and get started now. And then you can set up your team here if you're having a team and wanting to set POPL for your team, or if it's only for yourself, you can create your digital card right away. So I'll click on create my digital card right here. And now you need to enter some details, starting with your full name. So I'm going to go ahead, John Smith. Okay, continue. And then the title. And as you can see here, the card, they give you a card live preview to see your changes in real time. So let's say I'm the CEO of my company. The company name is Free Stuff. And as you can see, the company name is added. So continue. Now I'm going to add my email. So I'm going to go ahead and add my email, or let's say John the Awesome at gmail.com. Okay, now I'm gonna add the phone number. As you can see, they've added here in the card a preview of the email, so an icon for my email. And the point is, once a customer scans the QR code that I give them, they will open, or this page will pop up right on their phone with all my contact information and all my details. So let's add the phone number. I'll just add a random number, and as you can see, once I add my phone number, another icon here is added, seeing call. And now I can add some links. So I can add a LinkedIn profile, I can add a website. These are the options that are given to me. I can add additional links for text messaging, like calling. As you can see, they are added, FaceTime, WhatsApp, or my social media like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and others. And my business like website, Google reviews for my business, Calendly account or Calendly like link, Etsy, Microsoft Bookings, and others. So you have all kinds of links that you can add. Let's go back and let's add the website first. Okay, click on the plus icon here, and the website title, let's say my website. You can add the title as well. This is the title that will appear on the page or the business card itself. Now the website link, let's say freestuff.com. And once someone like clicks, let's try clicking on the website, or actually let's add google.com just as a test. And now if I click on my website, I'm going to be redirected to google.com. How cool is that? Now let's go back to POPL, and here I can test my link as well as clicking on it from here. Now let's click on add link. Now my website is added. Now let's add additional social media accounts or additional links. You can even like add content, so embed a video, text section, file, custom link, and others. So let's add a drop down menu, and in the title let's add my services. Okay, as you can see, it's here. And now I can add the body text. I offer engaging YouTube videos on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more awesome reviews like this one. Okay, now let's add the link. And here the section or the My Service section is added. If I click on it, it'll expand to the text that I entered. Okay, now you can add additional links. Let's add, for example, one last link to my TikTok account. So the TikTok username, for example, is Free Stuff. Of course, I'm just making these names up just to show you how it's done. However, you get the idea. Now here, TikTok. Okay, now add the link. And also if I click on it, it'll open. Now add the link. And here is the TikTok. Now it's duplicated for some reason, but it's gonna get fixed once we continue the setup. Now, once you are happy with the email, the phone number, and all the links that are added, now click on continue. And here you need to complete the sign up in order to finalize your business card and be able to share it. So I'm going to continue with Google, or you can continue with the email that you've added and the password. So click on continue with Google. And once I continue the sign up process and the CAPTCHA to confirm that I'm a human, I need now to check my email for the verification code, which I'll do right away. And I'm in. Now here I need to choose a plan. I'll just go with the free plan for now. Continue. And the last step is to download the app if you want to. Okay, now go to my dashboard. And now I'm on my card. So these are my cards. And now I can edit some other stuff like the colors and add my photo, add my logo and others. So these are the links that I added. Now let's go here to the links. As you can see, TikTok is duplicated. So I'm gonna remove it, remove one of them to leave only one. And I can add also links from here. So everything that I was trying to add in the previous steps, I can add right from this dashboard. So go to the about, the card title, okay, my card, update, and the card layout. I can choose if it's left aligned, centered, or portrait. So let's say it's centered. I like it this way better. I can add a cover photo and add a profile picture and a logo. Let's add a profile picture. I'll just upload a random photo from my computer. So this one looks good. Okay, crop it. And here it is, it's added. Now I can add a cover photo, another random image. Okay, open. And I'll choose this part. And as you can see, it's added. Now I can add a name, location, if I want to. And if I scroll down, I can choose a theme. So the card theme, I can make it in red, orange, yellow, green, as I like. I think this looks good. And the link color, which are like the buttons, the save contact and the my services, I can make it like yellow. So it looks, I know it looks like messed up, but you get the idea. I can match the link icons to card theme if I want to make it all in green. Now for the font, I can choose a font. However, you need to upgrade to Pro in order to do so. Now I can go to the lead capture. Okay, I need to save the changes, so save. And now my card is saved. And here I'm in the lead capture, so I can enable it in order to add like the lead form to make the customers fill out the form and I can get their information. I can view the follow-up email section. And here I can view the sharing option. So this is the QR code that I can share in order for clients to scan and access my card. I can edit like the color of the QR code. I can add a custom logo in the middle. So let's add it. Okay, where is the photo? Okay, here it is. Let's open it. Okay, crop. And as you can see, my logo is added in the center of my QR code to better show the identity of my business. Now here I can view the virtual background settings, email signature, and accessories. And once I'm happy with it, just click on Save QR Code. However, I need to upgrade the Pro. So the free plan limits you to like view the settings and create your card. However, you need to upgrade to a plan in order to share it. And alternatively, you can go ahead and download your QR code, print it on a paper or like a card that you can, or like keychain that you can hand to the customers and they will scan it in order to access your business page.